Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by downloading the latest Prime OS ISO from the official site. Check the ISO file size and checksum to avoid corrupted downloads. Prepare an 8 GB or larger USB drive formatted as FAT32. Verify your PC meets minimum requirements of 2 GB RAM and 16 GB free storage before installation. Backup important files from your hard drive to an external location or cloud. Disable fast startup and secure boot in your BIOS or UEFI settings before creating the installer. Insert your 8 GB USB drive into a working Windows PC. Open Rufus and select the Prime OS ISO as the source image. Choose the partition scheme that matches your disk, MBR, or GPT, and select FAT32 file system. For best compatibility, write the image in DD mode when prompted by Rufus. Wait until Rufus completes the write and safely eject the USB drive after verification. Keep the USB plugged into the target PC when you reboot into BIOS or UEFI to select the boot device. Power on the target PC and enter BIOS or UEFI to select USB as the boot device. Choose Live Mode first to test Prime OS without changing your hard drive. If Live Mode works, reboot and choose Install to disk from the boot menu. During installation, create or select a partition and avoid overriding your Windows partitions. Allocate at least 16 GB for Prime OS and optionally create a 2 GB swap file for stability. After installation, reinstall the bootloader if prompted and reboot to choose Prime OS.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.